pear tree grafting. For those just starting out, bud grafting can feel a little tricky. Instead, you can use branch cutting grafts, aiming for healthy new sprouts to appear as autumn arrives. Choose the Crisp Crown Pear as the scion, so the tree inherits its excellent yield and sweet quality. Trim away 1 to 2 buds, then make a smooth, slanted cut on the lower section, carefully aligning the cambium layers at the cut surface. Leave just a touch of the top exposed. Since temperatures are high and moisture evaporates quickly, it's best to keep only a single bud. Wrap the graft with film, leaving the bud uncovered, and the grafting is complete. That's all for this step. Summer grafting care. By late September, the young shoots on peach trees should have reached their longest growth. 4 varieties grafted around June 20th. It's time for the third round of topping and pinching. This time, make the cut as close as possible to the grafting point. Remove all the small new shoots sprouting around the graft union. After this treatment, the tree's energy will flow directly into the main new shoot from the graft. This allows it to grow stronger and faster. By the end of September, most of these improved varieties will have shoots stretching over 50 centimeters in length. If growth is steady and healthy, some branches may even be ready to bear fruit in the following year. And with that, the pruning work is complete.